Hey everyone, I just wanted to spend a little bit of time going over the last lab of the semester here. So what you are going to do after you click here, you are listening to this video now, is you're going to do some pre-lab questions on page 111. And then you're going to listen to Dr. Stewart's lab video. There's not going to be anything remarkably different about this lab. It's going to be very similar to the other labs in terms of collecting data and watching a video. But this lab is kind of neat because I feel like it really emphasizes and demonstrates how powerful the ideal gas law is. So you can take this and you can start the video and you can go through here. Now, one of the things that happens here is that there's the experimental part starts here about 5.5 minutes in. And the data here is given throughout the video. You can go back and you can see the data. You may have to pause the video to get this and get the data here. But at the very end, there's a review of the data at about 9.25 minutes. So if you miss the data here, you're into trying to just pay attention to what Dr. Stewart is saying about the lab. It's fine. Feel free to just get the data at the end. Now it's going to be up to you to read the barometer and the graduated cylinder correctly. And make sure that you have the correct number of sig figs, because that's going to affect your calculations whenever you use the ideal gas law. At the end, you're going to have to do some math problems. So you're going to answer these questions on page 114. Of course, you're going to finish the lab. There's some calculations that you're going to have to do. You have to actually find the molar mass of the vapor. That goes without saying, I hope. And then on page 114, there's questions 1 through 4. And then on page 115 and 16, there's all sorts of gas law problems. So I want you to finish those as your post lab. So once you get done, again, you can take pictures and send it to me, or you can do it digitally, complete it digitally if you want to type out the file, whatever it is that you want to do. Make sure you get that to me, and then we're on to the lab practical, I guess, okay? So have a great day, everybody.